You want to become a trader, but every time you look at the charts, you get overwhelmed. People are talking about ICT, smart money, order flow, market structure, fundamentals, and the economics. And someone says Forex. Another person says trade futures. And someone else says crypto. And before you even place a trade, you're completely confused. If that sounds like you, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap of what you should be focusing on instead of wasting months, even years going around in circles. Let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Look at your lifestyle. This is where most people go wrong. They get excited, they download TradingView, open a broker account, and think they're going to become a trader overnight. Hold on, slow down. The first thing you need to do is look at your life. You need to look at your lifestyle. You need to ask yourself what you do for a living. How many hours do I have each day to give to trading or even learning trading? Can you trade around your day job? Am I available during London session, New York session, Asian session? How much time can I realistically dedicate to trading? That's what you need to be looking at. Trading isn't just going on the computer, opening TradingView and clicking on buy and sell. It's not just about taking trades. It's studying, reviewing, journaling, learning psychology, understanding the markets. Get yourself a timetable and block out dedicated time every single day. Consistency in this game beats motivation every single time. Step 2, you need to understand your personality. This one is massively overlooked. What type of person are you? Can you control your emotions? Are you impulsive? Do you get addicted easily? Can you be patient? Your personality will influence the type of trader you will become. You might enjoy scalping, day trading, swing trading, and even investing. There is no right or wrong. The goal is to find a style that fits your lifestyle and personality and not somebody else's. You got to create your own edge in this game. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and helps more beginner traders find structured education instead of all the rubbish that's out there. Step 3, this is where a lot of you get confused. Find an educational style. Now it's time to learn. And this is where most people quit. You'll hear people talking about ICT, SMC, order flow, market structure, volume profile, Wyckoff theory, price action, and the list goes on because there's absolutely endless amount of stuff you can learn when it comes to trading. And the truth is you won't understand everything straight away. You'll probably jump from educator to educator, and that's completely normal. Give yourself time. Eventually, one style will just click. When it does, just stop jumping around from educator to educator, stick with it and master it and run with it. Now, step 4, you need to slow down. In fact, you need to slow right down. This is the stage where people blow their accounts. This is the stage where you will get a broker and invest your personal funds. And this is the stage where you will start buying prop firms because you think you know it all, but no. You need to slow right down before you lose all your money. You learn one pattern, you'll start taking a couple of lucky winning trades, and you'll think you've mastered trading. You'll think you've cracked trading, and then you lose everything. And that happens to 99% of us traders out there. And that's why we quit. And that's why they say 99% of traders quit before they even start. Don't rush to make the money. Rush to understand the markets. Rush to get an education. This is where you begin learning. Fundamentals, economics, news events, what actually moves the markets, who are the institutions, what do hedge funds do, why do the markets move? And don't worry if these words sound confusing today. You will learn the language over time. Step 5, building a strategy. This step took me years. Nobody actually told me what a strategy was. A strategy isn't I trade fair value gaps. A strategy isn't I trade order blocks. That's not a strategy. A strategy is a collection of confluences that all line up before you enter into a trade. You're building reasons to take a trade, not gambling because the price looks good. The more quality reasons you have, the better your decision making becomes. Step 6, this is where you have to stay on a demo account. Don't jump to the live markets straight away. Don't rush into a live account. This is another place where most traders quit. Open a demo account, set it to something realistic, maybe $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, not $1 million, and start flipping the $1 million. That's not real, and you won't manage risk properly. You won't control your emotions. Treat your demo account exactly how you would treat your real money. I know this is very, very difficult, but you have to get into the mindset of treating a demo account like it's real money. Because when you come onto the live markets with real money, that will really mess with your emotions. You need to build the consistency first, and then the money will follow later. Then finally, step 7, you need to explore different markets. Everybody comes into the markets trading Forex because that's all we know. We know currency, right? And that's exactly what I did. I started trading Forex until I started learning that there is many other markets out there. So I moved from Forex into the future space, and that is what a lot of traders already do. Some love crypto, some love commodities. Every market behaves differently. Forex, cryptos, indices, commodities, futures space. Study them all. See which one suits you and your personality and the one that you're most comfortable with. You don't have to trade everything. You just have to become comfortable and really good at trading just one. If you've made it this far, congratulations. You've already got more structure than most beginners. Remember, trading isn't a sprint, it's a long-term skill. Focus on building knowledge, developing discipline, creating routines, and becoming consistent. The profits come as a byproduct of doing the right things over and over again. If this video helped you and you want a structured roadmap from a complete beginner all the way through to developing your own strategy, check out the links in the description. I've put together resources that cover everything we've spoken about today, from understanding the markets to building a strategy to preparing yourself for live trading. And remember guys, trade with me live every single day, Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. GMT, London session where we trade the live markets and do real-time analysis. No hype, no fake lifestyle, just real trading. And I'll see you in the next one, guys.